Warning: replacing the wrong part for a P0135 code can cost you hundreds of dollars and still won't fix the check engine light. In the next 2 minutes, I'll show you the one DIY repair that many drivers overlook, and it costs only $19.60 SEK. Without further ado, let's jump straight into the tutorial and walk through the process together. Are you dealing with a P0135 error code? In this video, I'll show you a practical, step-by-step solution to fix it right at home. First, use the Zeus app to scan your vehicle and confirm the P0135 code. This code indicates that the engine control module has detected a malfunction in the Bank 1, Sensor 1 oxygen sensor heater circuit. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A: the oxygen sensor. This oxygen sensor is located right before the catalytic converter on Bank 1, which is the side with cylinder number 1. Sensor 1 is typically found directly in the exhaust manifold. First, perform a thorough visual inspection of the oxygen sensor. Carefully examine the electrical connector, the entire wiring harness, and the metal mounting tabs to check for any signs of heat damage, fraying, corrosion, or loose connections. If you find any damage, the oxygen sensor needs to be replaced. However, if everything looks intact and the issue persists, it is best to consult a professional mechanic for a deeper diagnostic. Once the repair is complete, use the Zeus app to clear the error code. Then, tap the rescan button to confirm that everything is back to normal and your vehicle is running correctly. That is how you can fix a P0135 error code in just minutes using this simple DIY method. Replacing the upstream oxygen sensor is often the fastest and most affordable solution, costing as little as 19 NQ wongs. If this video helped you save money and clear that check engine light, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more practical DIY mechanic fixes and engine code repairs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.